Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong speaks out against regulation. Brian Armstrong, the CEO founder and CEO of the US crypto exchange Coinbase, took to Twitter to express his opposition in crypto regulation. Armstrong said regulation by enforcement has treble-chilling effect and retro matters. We've already seen a huge amount of the crypto talent, assets, issuers, and startups go over shares. One of the strongest policy arguments for cryptocurrency is that it's a national security issue comes from the states. Speaking about crypto going offshore, Armstrong said the U.S. missed on semiconductor and 5G, which is a no larger manufacturer outside. It can afford to have cryptocurrency go offshore as well as some for every country. By the way, the increasing regulatory security around Coinbase, America's largest crypto exchange, has seen the SEC open another probe into the exchange, crypto yield, and staking products. According to the investigation records, the SEC has been probing the company's process for listing assets and the classification of certain listed assets, staking programs, and in stablecoin and yield-generating products. Armstrong used to enter crypto securities for everyone recently and moved to tackle censorship by the U.S. Treasury Department. Armstrong made by the decision to financial tornado case lawsuit, which has now been filed by 6 people, with the acclamation against to have the use tornado case for a legitimate purpose. The syndication place as their interim ITS address were banned outright regardless of the intent. Speaking on his decision, Armstrong emphasized that Coinbase had a start have stance against unlawful behavior. Coinbase is a global company, but we are both the rights here in the USA and will fight to make sure crypto success here for everyone. It's so important to America and real world assets, Armstrong, according to whom, and within a decade, the number of cryptocurrency users worldwide will reach 1 billion. On the flip side, the SEC has been accused and going after crypto companies with frivolous lawsuits. The SEC recently started investigation against crypto researcher and YouTuber Liberna against the billion conduct unlawful activity through the regulation offering of sparked SPRK tokens for which we had formed in the investing pool on the Telegram in 2018. Ripple's consumer channel accused NIC of acting not to enforce the law, but rather to remake in the hopes that it can imperceptibly expand the agency and just direction. Why you should care? Brian Armstrong has been one of the most notable crypto leaders to intest units for liquidity crisis for crypto. Find out more about the SEC pop into Coinbase, Ukraine, and Russia. What you need to know right now. President Vladimir Putin ordered the Russian escalation to fight in Ukraine on Wednesday and met a terminal fight threat of the US nuclear weapons in what NATO called a reckless act of desperation is not phrase of the Russia incoming defeat. Diplomacy or politics. If the territorial integrity for our country is threatened, we will without doubt use the available means to protect Russia and its people. This is a not bluff, Putin said in television address, not the nation. Russia mobilization was a practicable step that will prove extremely unpopular and underscores the war is not going according to Moscow plan. Ukrainian president officer Mikhail Podolyak said Western allies respond by the saying the move showed Russia's campaigns in the Ukraine was failing. The allies paid to further remorse for Ukraine Parisian figures on the Tuesday announced agreements for September 23 until 27 in Luhansk, Donetsk, Kherson, and Zaporizhia province, representing around 15% of Ukraine territory or an area about the size of Hungary. Speaking shortly after Putin, Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu said Russia could draw from 300,000 additional personnel out from some 25 million potential factors as the Moscow disposal. In Moscow's first update on casual numbers in almost 6 months, Shoigu also said 5,937 Russian soldiers has been killed since the start on conflict. U.S. President Joe Biden will try to rally the world against Russia's invasion to Ukraine in a speech to United Nations General Assembly on Wednesday. Economy or markets. Germany nationals with the important Uniper on the Wednesday and Britain kept the whose sales cost the electric and gas for business. In Europe's latest moves to keep the lights on the and heaters running this winter Twitter added words on Ukraine exhalers. Global equities shook off and their early news to raise up rates and rebounded on Wednesday after Russian President Vladimir Putin accused the waste of nuclear blackmail, sparking a brief fight. His safe haven assets like gold and bond, MKTS or GLOB. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.